Okay, all right. If not, okay, let's start. Oh, time, come. Okay, now you have this meeting chat group here. Like you can type your messages here. So if you need to respond, but if many of them know the same answer, then never mind. Just key in the answer here. Then I can see. All right. Okay, ready? Yeah, go. Okay, today we are going to learn solving problem in terms of a fraction. We involve backwards lah. We involve total changes. This change, that change, everything change, huh? Okay. Right. So I will put up my big screen. I hope you are seeing my big screen here. Question number 1. Yeah. Oh, this is okay. Quite an okay question. All right. Olivia thought of means what? 12 means unknown. He multiplied the fraction by 50. Okay lah, so never mind, you just have this so-called unknown lah. He multiplied by a 50. And then with this, he must get an answer, right? So you assume that you don't know this answer. Never mind. Okay, just leave it there. And then from here answer, he go and add something to the box, unknown, the answer that you found. Okay, he added 11 to it. And now he gotten another answer. So the answer cannot be the same, correct or not? So I draw another shape to represent the other answer. Okay, so let's recap what we have taught. What we have read here is he had a number, he multiplied it by the 50, add 11 to the answer, right? So you know that he added to the answer, and the thing is that he gotten a 27 in the end. So this 27 is somewhere here, right? So before you go on, what can I suggest? Let's take a look at this question here. This box. How to find this box here? Okay, can I have Risky? Risky, how do you want to find the rectangle box? Unknown answer. Can you help me with that? Something plus 11 give you 27. So what is my step 1?
First, you must do minus 27 minus 11.
Excellent. 27 minus 11. That will give me to 16. Very good. Okay, now I know you all can use calculator, but when it comes to this kind of small sum, try to do it speed and accuracy. Okay, just train yourself, challenge yourself. All right. Then after that, if you think you're not confident, then you use calculator to check back. But by right, this simple sum you all can do. Okay. All right, Risky, is that your younger brother with you?
Yeah.
Say
Yeah.
hello. Say hello. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Hope he will join us next time. How old
Yeah.
is he?
He's 3 years old. He's not a young brother yet.
Oh, okay. But hopefully that next time when he go P1, P2, P3, he can also join us.
Yeah.
Okay, by then I hope I'm still there teaching so that he can join us, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we have 16. I'm going to write 16 here. Thank you, Risky. All right, Casey, your turn, Casey. Casey, what happened here? Oh, 16. Okay lah, then we fill it out. Oh, 16, 对不对? Yeah. Then, Casey, what is the next step, Casey? 怎么办? Something times 50 give you 16. So what is that number that is multiplied by 50? It must be a small number, right? Or even less than 1. What do we call them? What do we call this thing? He gave you a hint earlier on. You see, red color. Okay, I give you a blue color lah. What do you call this? It must be a what? It must be a fraction. So in order to find the unknown, what can you do now? Casey, want to give a try? Okay, Carrie, Carrie, can you help me? Can you help me how to find the unknown of the box question mark there? Any idea? No idea. Okay, Risky, how about you? You want to give a try on this? How to find the unknown? Something times 50 equals to 16. This one is a little bit difficult, is it? Because you don't feel like, how come the small number can divide? Try. You won't. You won't harm.
16 divided by 50.
Yeah, I give you a clap. Very good. It's 16 divide by 50. Then you say divide by 50 how? Oh, so small number. Never mind. Leave it in what? Leave it in fractional, lor. Okay. So with this, what must you do to the fractional? You must reduce it to the what? Reduce it to the simplest form. What can you divide? Who can tell me what can you divide?
By 2. 2.
By 2. Okay, okay, by 2. Okay, this one I can do fast one. So the answer is 8 out of 25. Ta-da! Casey, you know what happened? Actually, there's nothing wrong. It's just that you see that how can divide, right? So if you give a try, then you could have gotten it correct. But no worries, you know that it's a fraction, so you can have a fraction, a small value in it, huh? Okay, so the answer is 8 out of 25. Ayo, my writing so cute, oh. 8 out of 25. Can? Next question. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's do it in green, huh? Jade used so much of the flour and addition of 50 to bake some waffle. Okay. Now this one you can do in many ways. Since he give you fraction, okay, fraction with an additional 50 gram. And this is to make waffle. Okay, waffle. Meaning to say what? You have 3 out of 11. So if you draw it in model form, your model, I show you how can this be done. Okay, 3 out of 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey, wait, what am I doing? He want 11 only. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11. Okay, so this one is a little bit longer, so I just have to change to a shorter. Okay, so we have 3 out of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I shade 3 of them. So can I say this is 3 unit? So never mind, I'm going to put here 3 unit and maybe another 50. I don't know where's the 50. I just approximately do this. Then I put here 50. I put dotted line. Okay, I do this again. I repeat. I do this. Can I say this is 3 unit and another 50 gram? That's what they say, what? Additional 50, what? Okay, so I'm going to put here additional 50 gram here, from here to here. Okay, then where is the remaining? Oh, now I'm going to use another color to show you where's the remaining. Look, where is this remaining flour? Here, lor. Here, lor. Okay, this is the remaining flour. Ayo, let me do this neatly. Remain. Okay, I use this in blue. And what happened to this remaining flour? He took 1/7 of it. He took 1/7 of it to bake something. What do you call this something? Muffin. Okay, I want you to look at 1/7 of the remainder. Now, last week we say of means what? Of the set, right? That was last week what we covered. So for those who are here, fraction of a set. Okay, but then most of them are not here, but never mind. Okay, then I continue from here. With this remaining, I want to do this. I want to bring down my remaining. Okay, so that I can see that this is called the remaining here lah. And then I want to check something. 1 out of 7. Where is my 1 out of 7? From the remaining. So I have to cut lor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So with 1/7, I'm going to shape 1/7 of this remainder to make some muffin. Okay. But just now that one was what? Sorry, I forgot to write the name for it. Was to make some waffle. And this is muffin. Okay. Let's take a look at the remaining here. What was he left with? 156 gram. 156. Now I have a question. Carrie, can you tell me where can I put my purple 156? What do we call this? Carrie, I would like you to help me with this.
Okay.
Where? Carrie?
Shaded blue.
Shaded blue, unshaded blue. Thank you. Carrie. Carrie, I didn't manage to see your face there. Okay, unshaded blue, huh? Who is the one who said unshaded blue? Got clues eh? Okay lah, never mind, I accept that, huh? 156. Okay, now for this 156, can I ask a question? As it is the unshaded blue, right? So I'm going to put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. I have a question here. Here, each unit, the shaded unit, can it be equals to the green unit or not? Let's try. Casey, I have a question here. I'm going to use a black one to ask this question. Now, look at this one unit of the flour. Look at this one unit of the flour. Who can tell me, will they be equal? Anyone? Will they be equal? Keep your responses here. Keep your responses in the meeting chat here. I want to see your, go. Just type. Will they be the same? Yes or no? Very simple. Carrie also can type in, please. Type here, type in the meeting chat. Will this one unit and this unit, will they be equal? That is my first question. Yes, are you sure? Yes. Casey say yes. Anyone else? Carrie, do you think you will be the same? Will the size of the one be the same or not? Risky, do you think they will be the same? Give a thought. The way you think, huh? Yes, wait, no. Some say realize, something say no. Yeah. Casey, yes, go, keep going. Okay, the answer is no. Ayo. Then you say, why leh? Why like that? Now remember, do you know something here just now was we have that one unit. Okay, and this one, this green, I'm talking about the green unit, is one unit. So when I have whatever left over, I cut into 7. This unit is already being shrink, right or not? It's being shrink. Yeah, so it's shrink already. The mouth also like. So do you think they will be the same? Now give a thought about it. No, right? Yeah, Casey 聪明pandai. Now you say, who still say yes one? Don't have. Everybody start to say no already after seeing all this, right? Okay, so the answer is no, they are not the same. So now the thing is, if they are not the same, I don't want to name them as unit law. Okay, should I name them another descriptive word, like instead of unit, then we say boxes? So this is how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one belongs to 6 boxes. Purple, I change to purple. This one will belong to 6 boxes. Okay. So 6 boxes will give you 156, right? So from here you can solve already. From here it's easy already. Let's take a look at Risky. Risky, do you tell me how can you find 1 unit of purple here? 1 unit of purple. Yeah.
100.